Greetings, students. Welcome to SCI207, our dependence upon the environment. My name is Dr. Clifford Blizzard, and I'm delighted to greet you here today. I'll be your instructor for the next 5 weeks, and I'm also the course lead for environmental science here at UAGC. I want to welcome you to this grand adventure you're about to embark upon. It's going to be action-packed. This is a 4-credit course, and it's going to be more work than you're used to. But boy, is it going to be just an amazing array of ideas and concepts relating to the way we all connect with our environment around us, the way humans affect their environment, and the way our environment affects us. I sometimes encounter a student who says, "What does this have to do with me?" Well, I'll answer that by inviting all of you to pause for a moment and take a deep breath. Congratulations, you've just interacted with your environment. So the environment around us is really, really important. It's the air we breathe, it's the water we drink, and it's all the other living beings we encounter on our daily rounds, both other humans and the more than human world of squirrels and chickadees and deer. So come along with me on this journey. We're going to be doing labs every week. 3 of them will be hands-on. 2 of them, including this first one, will be virtual. We're going to be doing weekly assignments where you'll become experts on different terms relating to the course material and share what you've learned with others, ultimately with the class. We'll be doing a nature experience where you're going to spend an hour out in nature and reflect on what that was all about. And we're going to be doing a 5-week environmental footprint reduction project, which begins pretty much now in our very first class discussion. And then in weeks 2, 3, and 4, we're going to have this wild discussion using TriCider. It's an app that will enable us all to serve as members of the imaginary community of Arzaville as it embarks on developing sustainability plans for the future. Then you'll also be doing weekly interactive activities, a weekly quiz on the text, and weekly journals as well. So come along with me, and I hope you have a fabulous time. I hope this is a lot of fun, and I hope that you don't feel overwhelmed by it. I know a lot of students share that in week 1, there's a lot here, there's a lot to do, and there is. But know that as you make your way through the course, it will become second nature to you. The style of the lab reports, the style of the assignments will be pretty much the same from week to week. And I'll be here to guide you and support you. And that brings you to my number 1 message of this video, and that is that I am here for you. My role as the instructor is to support your learning in any way that I can. And I really appreciate it when students call or text me with questions, or just if they want to share some thoughts about the course. Please feel free to do that. My door is always open. In fact, quite literally, the door is open behind me. I didn't even plan that. And my cell phone number is 858-705-1192. So feel free to text me, feel free to call, feel free to email. Smoke signals don't work unless you live in my part of Georgia, and semaphore will only work over very short distances too. So you're probably better off with phone or email. Anyway, I really look forward to supporting you, and if you ever begin to feel overwhelmed or concerned, reach out. Open up a line of communication and keep it open. And to that end, I'm really excited that you'll be writing your bios today and sharing a bit about yourself. I'll be going into the discussion and I'll be responding to all of you. And I really look forward to getting to know you and work with you over our next 5 weeks together. So time's a-wasting. Let's get started. I'll see you on the discussion boards here in week 1 and throughout the class. Talk to you soon.